Right all day.
This is gonna growl out. You're gonna pay attention to me.
We just run. The trick is to not record.
He loves playing.
He is playing. He's having fun over here. Oh! He just grabbed it.
He's still growling at you too. Trying to get on his friend.
Do my sandal. I just threw my sandal at him.
Come on, baby. Come on.
What's wrong with his tongue? It's like.
Because it's hot. That's how they sweat, I told you.
I'm already against the wall. Against the gate. Help! Oh God! This is He's having fun here. He just ran. What's that, Peter? Look at it. Shine. I got him. He grabbed my pants.
He's gonna growl at you too.
I almost slipped. Oh my God! He's
better be glad he's playing right now.
Huh?
Better be glad he's playing right now. No, he's playing right now. See his tail wagging?
Yeah, he's
If
playing.
he's not playing, all his tail is tucked and he's biting. If his tail's tucked, don't mess with him. He's already mad. He'll be here in a minute, baby.
Oh, he took the camera!
He did not. You threw it down.
He took.
You're gonna drop that. You're gonna break that damn camera. Or that phone, and your mom's gonna break your ass.
China! Want to play some more? Oh my God! Hey, you want the stick? You want the stick? You want the stick?
Pick it up.
There, take the stick.
What'd you do with your juice and stuff?
Oh! It got me! I took this tail.